What if I told you that one man's ideas and inventions could have altered the course of history forever? Enter Nikola Tesla, the enigmatic genius whose creations bordered on the miraculous and the dangerous. From earthquake machines to wireless electricity, Tesla's inventions were a mix of genius and mystery. Today we'll explore 16 of Tesla's groundbreaking inventions that pushed the boundaries of science and technology. In the heart of New York City, Nikola Tesla conducted experiments that would both captivate and terrify those who knew of them. Tesla claimed to have created a machine capable of shaking the very foundations of the Earth, his oscillator, nicknamed the earthquake machine. Tesla believed it had the power to tap into the Earth's natural resonance frequencies, causing tremors that could be felt for miles. While Tesla's claims remain largely unverified, the sheer audacity of the idea sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The year is 1898. Inside Madison Square Garden, Nikola Tesla takes the stage. Tesla unveils his latest marvel, a radio-controlled boat. The crowd is astonished as Tesla maneuvers the miniature vessel across a pool of water. He demonstrates the groundbreaking potential of wireless communication. Tesla's invention was a glimpse into a world where distance no longer limits human control. Imagine a device capable of generating bolts of electricity that dance across the air, illuminating the night sky with an ethereal glow. This was the Tesla coil, a creation born from Nikola Tesla's fascination with harnessing the raw power of electricity. By creating high-frequency, high-voltage alternating current, Tesla's coil could wirelessly transmit power, illuminating light bulbs and igniting gas discharges from a distance. The Tesla coil, with its mesmerizing arcs of electricity, became a symbol of Tesla's genius and his relentless pursuit of pushing the limits of science. Induction motor, the heart of modern industry. Few inventions have impacted electrical engineering like Nikola Tesla's induction motor. Patented in 1888, it revolutionized power generation and usage. Using alternating current, it created a rotating magnetic field, spinning the rotor. This brushless design reduced wear and tear, increasing lifespan. Today, the induction motor remains a cornerstone of modern technology. Wireless communication, a visionary dream takes flight. Nikola Tesla possessed an unwavering belief in a future where information and energy could travel seamlessly through the air, unbound by wires and cables. In 1893, at the World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago, Tesla demonstrated wireless energy transmission, lighting up phosphorescent lamps without any physical connection. Tesla's work paved the way for the development of radio, television, and the wireless communication systems we rely on today. Tesla valve, a marvel of fluid dynamics. In the realm of fluid dynamics, Tesla made a remarkable contribution with the invention of the Tesla valve in 1920. The Tesla valve was deceptively simple in its design, consisting of a series of interconnected chambers and channels. As fluid flowed through the valve, it encountered a series of diversions and obstructions that created turbulence and resistance. Tesla's valve, with its ability to control fluid flow without any moving parts, was a testament to his innovative spirit. Egg of Columbus, spinning into the future of AC motors. At the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition, Nikola Tesla captivated audiences with his Egg of Columbus demonstration. Using a copper egg and rotating magnetic field, Tesla showcased the principles behind his AC motors. The egg, placed in a magnetic field, demonstrated wireless energy transfer, revolutionizing power generation. Rotating magnetic field, the foundation of modern electricity. Few breakthroughs have had as profound an impact as Nikola Tesla's discovery of the rotating magnetic field. By using alternating current, Tesla created a magnetic field that rotated in space. This became the cornerstone of Tesla's AC induction motor and generators, enabling efficient electricity distribution. Tesla's discovery transformed the electrical landscape, paving the way for a future powered by AC electricity. Geodynamics. Tesla's vision of Earth-powered energy. Tesla theorized that the Earth, like a giant conductor, possessed natural resonant frequencies. By generating mechanical vibrations at these specific frequencies, he believed it would be possible to transmit energy wirelessly through the Earth's crust. While geodynamics remains largely theoretical and unproven, it highlights Tesla's visionary thinking and his willingness to explore unconventional ideas. Tesla turbine, a symphony of smooth, efficient power. Tesla's turbine consisted of a series of closely spaced, smooth discs mounted on a shaft and enclosed within a casing. Fluid, typically steam or gas, was injected tangentially into the casing, causing the discs to spin rapidly due to the fluid's viscosity and adhesion to the disc surfaces. While the Tesla turbine offered advantages in terms of efficiency and durability, it faced limitations in handling high pressures and generating high torque. Three-phase electric power, a collaborative triumph of electrification. While Nikola Tesla played a pivotal role in advancing AC technology, it was a German engineer named Mikhail Dobrovolsky who made significant contributions to the development of three-phase electric power. Three-phase power, compared to single-phase AC, offered greater efficiency in power transmission and allowed for the use of simpler and more robust motors. The adoption of three-phase power was a significant milestone in the electrification of the world. Violet Ray Tesla's foray into electrotherapy. Tesla believed in its potential to heal and rejuvenate the human body, leading him to develop the violet ray device in the late 19th century. The violet ray, a handheld device that generated high-frequency, high-voltage electricity, became a popular form of electrotherapy. Proponents of the violet ray claimed it could treat a wide range of ailments, from skin conditions to pain and inflammation. While the violet ray's efficacy was never scientifically proven, it represented Tesla's early foray into the field of electrotherapy. The vibrant glow of neon lights, a staple of urban landscapes worldwide, can be traced back, in part, to the pioneering work of Nikola Tesla. Neon lights function by passing an electrical current through a sealed glass tube filled with a noble gas, such as neon. Tesla's work on high-frequency, high-voltage transformers, essential for generating the necessary electrical current, laid the groundwork for the development of practical neon lighting. Georges Claude, a French engineer and chemist, is credited with perfecting the neon lamp and popularizing its use in signage and lighting. Nikola Tesla, a pacifist, believed technology could prevent war. He conceived a defensive weapon called Teleforce, known as the Death Ray. It could generate energy beams to destroy enemy aircraft or armies, deterring aggression. Though never fully developed, it highlights Tesla's visionary thinking and belief in technology's power. Nikola Tesla envisioned a future where information and energy would flow freely across the globe. This vision fueled his dream of a world wireless system for global communication and power transmission. At its heart was Wardenclyffe Tower, built on Long Island, New York. Though never fully realized, Tesla's vision remains a testament to his belief in wireless technology. Long before drones became synonymous with modern warfare and surveillance, Nikola Tesla envisioned unmanned aerial vehicles as instruments of peace and progress. In the late 19th century, he conceived of the Tesla drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle controlled remotely, capable of carrying out a variety of tasks. Tesla believed that drones could be used for a variety of purposes, from delivering packages and conducting aerial surveillance to exploring remote and hazardous environments. Tesla's early vision of autonomous flying machines highlights his remarkable foresight and his ability to anticipate technological long before drones became synonymous with modern warfare and surveillance. Nikola Tesla envisioned unmanned aerial vehicles as instruments of peace and progress. In the late 19th century, he conceived of the Tesla drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle controlled remotely, capable of carrying out a variety of tasks. Tesla believed that drones could be used for a variety of purposes, from delivering packages and conducting aerial surveillance to exploring remote and hazardous environments. Tesla's early vision of autonomous flying machines highlights his remarkable foresight and his ability to anticipate technology long before drones became synonymous with modern warfare and surveillance. Nikola Tesla envisioned unmanned aerial vehicles as instruments of peace and progress. In the late 19th century, he conceived of the Tesla drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle controlled remotely, capable of carrying out a variety of tasks. Tesla believed that drones could be used for a variety of purposes, from delivering packages and conducting aerial surveillance to exploring remote and hazardous environments. Tesla's early vision of autonomous flying machines highlights his remarkable foresight and his ability to anticipate technological advancements far ahead of their time. Nikola Tesla's life and work stand as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the boundless potential of the human imagination. His inventions and ideas, often ahead of their time, continue to shape our world in profound ways. Though some of his ideas remain theoretical, Tesla's vision reminds us to dream big and challenge the limits of possibility. His relentless pursuit of knowledge and his unwavering belief in the power of innovation continue to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers to push the boundaries of human achievement.